Hi and welcome to this quick unboxing of the Sony XM4 headphones. These are noise cancelling headphones and they have approximately 30 hours battery life, work with Google Assistant and have Alexa built in. So with all that said, let's just get straight into opening them. Let's grab the knife here and slide down the side. Now I can peel back the plastic. Like so. Okay, now let's see if she'll slide out. Slide out she does. Fantastic, so let's pop that to the back and let's see what we have. Easy setup, installation facile. Flip the lid and we have the durable case. Inside as well, some documentation, instructions, you know, the usual sort of thing. Anyway, the exciting thing is here. So let's just pull this back a little bit, reveal the zip, which has Sony written on it. You just see that there. Let's unzip. There we have the headphones. But before I pull those out, let's have a look at what cables we have. 3.5, very handy. We also have an adapter, perfect for flights. As you can see, it has the logo for plane. Pop that there. We have a charging cable, and that is USB-C. Standard USB. And now for the main event, the earphones, or should I say headphones. As you can see, they're folded, and let's just fold this out to the open position, like so. You can see the sensor just inside here, which stops the music playing when you remove the cups. We have a USB charge point here, 3.5. Power, custom, and this is very comfortable. It feels very good, very soft. Okay, so that is basically the unboxing. Next, the setup. To connect the Sony XM4 headphones to your iPhone, we start by turning on the power on the headphones. Locate the left cup, and at the bottom we have the power button. We need to press and hold this for a second or so. An announcement says power on, and we have a blue flashing light letting us know it's discoverable. Next, we go to the iPhone, we go to settings, we go to Bluetooth, and we enable Bluetooth if it isn't already on. At the bottom of the list, we see XM4s. I'll press that, and as you can see, they are now connected. It's as simple as that. Now there is some software which I will download for a future video and go through the step-by-step configuration and show you what it can do, so be sure to subscribe for that. In the meantime though, thank you very much for choosing my video. Do subscribe, as I say. There'll be plenty more videos on the XM4s coming out very, very soon. Thanks a lot and have a great day.